Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Real Talks.
Hi there, we're so happy to have you here with us today.
I'm the professor.
And I'm Jessica. On this channel, we help you learn real, everyday English through natural conversations.
Exactly. Our goal is to make English feel friendly and fun.
If you enjoy our lessons, please support us by subscribing and liking this video.
Yes, your support helps our community grow and inspires us to create more lessons for you.
Today, we're going to talk about something everyone can relate to, our jobs.
That's right. You'll learn how to describe what you do, talk about your daily work, and use words about feelings and routines.
Sounds great. Okay, Professor, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. But I must admit, a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Oh no, why are you sleepy?
Well, I woke up very early this morning. It was still dark outside. Even the birds were quiet.
Really? Why did you wake up so early?
My dog, Leo, wanted breakfast. He was barking and jumping around my bed until I got up.
Oh, Leo again. He is such a character. Remind me, what kind of dog is he?
He's a golden retriever. Friendly, but always hungry.
Sounds adorable. I can imagine him wagging his tail, waiting for food.
Exactly. He looked so happy after he ate.
That's cute. Well, unlike you, I slept very well last night. I drank chamomile tea and listened to calm music before bed.
That sounds relaxing. I think I need your bedtime routine. My mornings are always chaos.
Poor Professor. I hope you have enough energy for today's lesson.
Don't worry, Jessica. I'm fully awake now. Let's dive in. So, Jessica, tell us, what do you do?
I'm a baker.
A baker? That's a wonderful job. What exactly does a baker do?
I make bread, cakes, and pastries. Every morning, I mix flour, sugar, eggs, and butter, all before sunrise.
Oh, that sounds delicious. So you work with your hands a lot.
Yes, I knead dough, shape rolls, decorate cakes. It's creative, but also hard work.
I can imagine. Do you enjoy your job?
I love it. When people smile after tasting something I baked, it makes me so happy. But it can be tiring sometimes.
Why tiring?
Because I start work at 5 a.m. every day. My alarm clock rings while it's still dark.
Oh, that's early indeed.
Yes, sometimes my friends are just going to bed when I'm waking up.
That's a special kind of dedication. So, what's your favorite thing to bake?
Chocolate croissants. The smell fills the bakery, and customers always smile when they walk in.
That must feel rewarding.
It really does. What about you, Professor? What's your job besides teaching English here?
I'm also a writer.
A writer? That's fantastic. What do you write?
I write short stories and articles about language learning and culture.
That sounds inspiring. So you teach and you write. That's two creative jobs.
Well, they're both about sharing ideas, but writing can be hard sometimes.
Why is that?
Sometimes the words don't come easily, where I write something and later think, that doesn't sound quite right.
So you rewrite it?
Yes, many times. Writing requires patience.
I understand that. Baking also demands patience. You must wait for dough to rise. It doesn't happen instantly.
True, we both need patience in our work.
We do. So where do you usually write?
I write at home in my small study. It's quiet, full of books, and has a big window that faces my garden.
That sounds perfect. Do you work from home all the time?
Yes, most of the time. I love working from home, but sometimes I miss being around people.
I see. So you have no coworkers around.
Only Leo, and he mostly sleeps.
That makes him a very quiet coworker.
Indeed. How about you, Jessica? Do you have coworkers at the bakery?
Yes, there are 4 of us. We work together every morning, mixing, baking, and decorating. We talk a lot about recipes and sometimes about life.
That sounds nice. Do you enjoy working as part of a team?
Absolutely. We help each other. If someone is tired, the others take over.
That's a great team spirit. So, what's your typical day look like?
Let's see. I arrive at the bakery at 4:45 a.m. I turn on the ovens and prepare dough. Around 6 a.m., we bake the first batch of bread. At 7:30, customers start coming in.
That's a busy morning.
Very busy, but it's satisfying to see warm bread coming out of the oven. The smell is incredible.
I can almost smell it now.
After we finish the morning rush, we prepare cakes and pastries for the afternoon. I usually go home at 2 p.m.
So you have the rest of the day to relax.
Yes, I sometimes take a nap or meet my friends. What about you, Professor? What's your daily schedule?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m., make coffee, feed Leo, and check my emails. Then I write or prepare lessons until noon.
And after lunch?
I take a walk in the park to refresh my mind. Then I work again for a few hours. I usually finish around 6 p.m. in the evening.
That's a full day. How do you relax after work?
I read or watch documentaries. Sometimes I cook something simple, pasta or soup.
I love cooking too. Maybe you can make pasta and I can bring dessert.
That's a lovely idea. Team dinner.
So, Professor, what's the best part of your job?
The best part is when my students say, "Now I understand." That smile on their faces means everything to me.
That's heartwarming.
It is. And what's the best part of your job?
When customers tell me something I baked reminds them of home, food connects people. It's beautiful.
That's very touching. And what's the hardest part?
Waking up so early, but also when a recipe doesn't turn out right. It can be disappointing.
I know that feeling. Sometimes my writing ideas don't work, but I keep trying.
Exactly. We learn from mistakes.
We do. So let's talk about the good and difficult parts of every job. It's helpful for our viewers to learn these words.
Sure. Let's start with the word rewarding.
Good choice. Rewarding means something that gives you a good feeling inside because it's meaningful.
Like when I make a beautiful cake and customers smile. That feeling is rewarding.
Exactly. Teaching my students and seeing their progress is rewarding.
What's another common word related to work?
How about coworker?
Oh yes, I used that word earlier. A coworker is a person who works with you, right?
Correct. Some people also say colleague, but coworker is simpler.
Great. Another word you said earlier was convenient.
Ah, yes. Convenient means easy or helpful, something that saves you time or effort.
For example, living near my bakery is convenient. It only takes me 5 minutes to walk there.
Perfect example. Or working from home is convenient because I don't commute.
That's true. I wish I could work in my pajamas.
That's one perk of my job. But let's move to another word, skills.
Skills are things you can do well, right?
Yes, they can be learned abilities. For example, baking, teaching, drawing, or speaking English.
So our viewers are improving their English skills right now.
Exactly. And I must say, practice is the best way to build skills.
What about routine? That's a word we hear a lot.
Good point. A routine is your daily pattern of activities, the things you do regularly and in the same order.
Oh, like my morning routine. Wake up, dress, and start preparing bread.
Perfect. And my routine is coffee, writing, and walking Leo.
Routines help people feel organized.
Indeed, they do. Another word from our conversation is project.
Yes, I love that word. What does it mean exactly?
A project is a specific task or job you complete. It has a beginning and an end.
So, baking a big wedding cake is one project for me.
Exactly. And writing a lesson plan is one project for me.
Everyone has different projects in life.
You're right. And speaking of that, we also talked about responsibility.
Responsibility is something you must do, your duty or obligation.
Well said. For example, it's my responsibility to prepare good lessons.
And it's my responsibility to make safe, healthy food for my customers.
Beautiful. Responsibility means people can trust you.
That's an important value in any job.
It really is. Let's quickly review all the new words we used today. Rewarding, coworker, convenient, skills, routine, project, and responsibility.
That's 7 useful words. Listeners can repeat them aloud to practice pronunciation.
Yes, and don't worry if you forget one or two. Learning takes time. Just remember one new word today. That's already progress.
Exactly. Learning English is like baking bread. It needs patience and practice.
I love that comparison. So, Jessica, did you always want to be a baker?
Yes, since I was little. I used to bake pretend cakes with Play-Doh.
That's very cute. You followed your dream.
I did. What about you, Professor? Did you always want to be a teacher?
Not at first. When I was young, I wanted to be an explorer. I wanted to travel to mountains and deserts. But later, I discovered my love for language and helping people learn, so my path changed.
That's beautiful. So your dream transformed into something new.
Exactly. And both our jobs involve creativity and care.
Yes, and both are rewarding in different ways.
So true. Now, for everyone listening, we've talked about 2 real jobs today, baker and writer-teacher. But these lessons apply to any job.
Right. You can say, I am a teacher, or I am a nurse, or I am a student.
Good reminder. What do you do is one of the most common questions in English.
And the answer is simple. I am a job. Or if you don't work yet, you can say, I am a student, or I am looking for a job.
Excellent practice. We also said, I work from home and I work in a bakery.
Yes, and I work in a school, or I work in an office. These are very common phrases.
Listeners can practice them out loud. Repetition helps build confidence.
Also, practice writing them in the comments below. It's a good writing exercise.
Great idea. Let's give our question of the day.
Yes. What is your job? Or what is your dream job?
Perfect. You can write short answers like, I am a student, or I want to be a nurse.
Or my dream job is to be a pilot. Simple sentences, but very useful.
We can't wait to read your answers. Hearing about your dreams always inspires us.
It really does. Every comment helps us understand you better and make better lessons.
And if you have a topic idea, please share it.
Yes, maybe hobbies, travel, food, or technology. We'd love to know what you want us to talk about next.
Before we finish, we want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribes to our channel.
Yes, thank you so much for your support. It truly helps English Real Talks grow.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. You won't miss our next conversation.
And if you have friends learning English, share this video with them. Studying together is always more fun.
Very true. And now it's time to say goodbye for today.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us.
You are doing an amazing job. Remember, learning a language takes time and courage.
Yes, and it's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake helps you grow.
So keep learning, keep speaking, and believe in yourself.
We'll see you again in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.